Om Shanti. Hi friends, welcome to Paramjyoti Yoga. This set of chair yoga or desktop yoga is well suited for those people who spend a lot of time sitting. They could be software professionals or they could be business people. Anybody who spends a lot of time sitting, for them, this chair yoga is the best. Also, for people who, due to different health issues, cannot sit down but still want to maintain a good physique and a good health and be active, for them also, this chair yoga is most suitable. In order to do this, select a comfortable seating posture. You can either sit on a chair, you can sit on a sofa, but no matter where you sit, try to sit as erect as possible. First, let us practice eye exercises. For this, open your eyes wide and look up, look down, look up, look down, look up, look down. Now gently close your eyes. Next, again open your eyes wide and look right, left, 3 times in each direction. This is best suited for those professionals who spend a lot of time looking at the computer, and they are also very good for students. Now gently close your eyes. Now again open your eyes wide and rotate them in clockwise direction. After few rotations in clockwise direction, now do anti-clockwise rotation. These eye exercises strengthen the eye muscles, and also they are very good for people who spend too much time in front of computer and also for students. If you are experiencing any reeling sensation or severe headache, then you can stop the practice. Always be the judge of your own body. Now let us proceed for neck exercises. People who are having any issues with their throat or their neck, please do not practice this neck exercises. Now look up, look down, look up, look down. Staring at the computer for a long time sometimes gives neck pain or some kind of stiffness. So regular practice of this relieves you of that problem. Now proceed to the second set. Breathe in, breathe out, and look right and look left. Repeat 3 times on each side. Even if you are not finding time to do the whole yoga session, doing these simple exercises also will benefit you a lot in maintaining fitness and your activity levels. Now let us proceed to the last type, which is the neck rotation. Doing neck rotation should be very slow. You should not be very fast. And again, if you are having any problems with your neck or if you have had any throat surgeries and all, please consult your doctor before doing these exercises. After doing 3 times in one direction, reverse the direction to the opposite side. Especially school-going children, college-going students also can perform these neck exercises regularly. It relieves of shoulder tension, any kind of small aches, and it keeps the neck muscles also strong. Next, let us proceed with exercises for the hands. Spread your hands in front of you. Open your fingers really wide and then close them like a fist. Open wide and close fist. We cannot imagine our day without fingers. So doing this simple exercise for the fingers, especially if you are writing too much, actually relieves you of finger cramps, and also strengthens the finger muscles. Next, for the wrist, make a fist of your wrist and rotate it as shown here. Usually, a lot of people complain about wrist pain while lifting or even while doing simple activities also. So, these wrist exercises are very helpful. Next, let us do exercises for the hand. Now, as shown in the video, practice the hand exercise. This gives a very good exercise for the lower arm along with the elbows. Next, let us proceed for shoulder exercises. Place your fingers on your shoulders and start rotating your whole hand as shown in the video here. Do in one direction for 3 to 5 times and then reverse the direction. You can see this movement not only helps the shoulders, but it also helps the whole hand and also especially the back of the shoulders, which is we call the scapular area. The stiffness there reduces and it gives you a lot of agility. Now let us proceed for forward bend. People who are having hypertension or any issues with their back should not perform this forward bend. Similarly, any surgeries to the abdominal area or the spinal area also, please avoid this forward bend. Otherwise, raise your hands side of the body. Breathe in and raise your hands completely up and form a Namaskara Mudra above your head with your biceps touching the ears. Now breathe out and gently lean forward. How much you can lean forward depends on your body's ability. So do it only as per your body's limit. Now slowly breathe in, hands above your head, and breathe out and lower your hands back to the side of the body. This forward bend also helps in reducing the fat around the abdominal area. Like we said, just because you can't sit down doesn't mean you cannot do yoga. People suffering from diabetes, for them Vakrasana is a great boon. However, if you are not able to sit down and perform, you can also do the Vakrasana while sitting on a chair, which is so beneficial even to reduce the fat on the sides. To perform this Vakrasana, place both your hands initially on your thighs. Breathe in, breathe out, turn right and try to hold the right handle of the chair with both hands and look back. How much you can look back depends upon your flexibility. Now slowly breathe in, come to center, breathe out and now look back from the left side. While doing so, if you can, gently squeeze your abdomen inside. Now again breathe in, come back to center. Repeat this 3 times on each side. This greatly helps in reducing the fat. Next, let us proceed to do exercises for the legs. By now, if you have slouched down, again sit straight. Keep your legs together, the thighs touching and the feet touching one another. Now, raise your leg up, down, up, down. Repeat 3 times on each side. This simple movement greatly helps your knees and it also strengthens the leg muscles. Now, after doing with single leg, let us repeat the same with both the legs together. Keep legs together, lift up, lift and bring down. Lift up, bring down. Like this, repeat with both the legs. Unknowingly, there will be a pressure on your abdomen also. So it reduces the abdominal fat as well. Now let us do leg outside inside. Lift both the legs and take your right leg outside, bring it inside, outside, inside. Now repeat with the left leg outside, inside. So doing this, you can repeat these practices right side 3 times and left side 3 times. Now for the ankles. The whole body weight is bared by the ankles. So doing exercise for this, you will not immediately sprain or cramp it. So up, down, repeat it 3 times in up and 3 times down. Now let us do the ankle rotation. Rotate the ankle 3 times in clockwise direction and 3 times in counterclockwise direction. Amongst all the exercises shown here, most of them can be done at your chair, at your office, in a very convenient time. If you observe, this chair yoga module actually gives exercise for the entire body. So for people who are too busy to do an entire yogasana session, doing these simple practices every day also greatly enhances your health and gives you great agility. If you feel you can help someone by letting them know of these yogic practices, please share this video with them. And to learn many more such simple, easy to do yoga practices, please subscribe to our channel. Om Shanti.